Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and back in the day I was one of those kids who absolutely loved his Brussels sprouts. There are so many ways of preparing those tiny cabbages, and so today I'm going to teach you my favorite, smashed Brussels sprouts. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let's start with filling a large pot with water and placing that on the stove. Add in some salt and let that come to a boil. While that's heating up, let's prepare our Brussels sprouts by rinsing them off and peeling off any wilty leaves. Add the Brussels sprouts to the pot and boil for 15 minutes, then strain out the water and add them to cold water. This is called blanching, and what this does is immediately stop the cooking process, softens them, and keeps that beautiful green color intact. Strain out the cold water after about 5 minutes. Now bust out a cookie sheet covered in aluminum foil and spread them out. Drizzle over olive oil, salt, and pepper. Now sprinkle on some minced garlic across the top. Time for some smashing. Bust out a potato masher and press the Brussels sprouts down so they crack open. Once they're all mashed up, place them into a 450-degree oven and bake for 20 minutes. Now that our sprouts are all browned on the top, let's plate this dish. I love me some Brussels sprouts. This is a really simple recipe that really lets the flavor of the Brussels sprout shine. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite ways of preparing Brussels sprouts in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.